Hi, this is Betty Cruz. I'm going to talk about anemia. Anemia is one of the most common blood disorders. It affects the number of RBCs and the amount of hemoglobin that's being carried throughout the body. Hemoglobin is required for the blood cells to be able to carry oxygen throughout the body. The oxygen attaches to the hemoglobin enzyme on the red blood cell, and then it's carried to the organs and the tissues that it's needed. Without hemoglobin, the cell's ability to carry oxygen to the organs and muscles decreases or just completely disappears. There are multiple types of anemia. Sickle cell anemia occurs in African American population. It's where the blood cells clump together and decrease the oxygen transport throughout the body. The clumping together can cause organ failure and multiple other options. Also, iron deficiency anemia is the lack of iron in the body to maintain the cell's ability to make hemoglobin and carry oxygen. Pernicious anemia is the lack of the intrinsic factor, and the diet requires supplements of B12 or folic acid to produce hemoglobin. Aplastic anemia is when the bone marrow doesn't make enough RBCs, and it can be caused from viral illnesses, cancer, or chemical treatment such as medications or chemotherapy, radiation, that kind of thing. Hemolytic anemia occurs when the body can't produce RBCs as fast as the body is destroying them. An RBC generally lives from anywhere from 90 to 120 days. And it can be inherited or it can be autoimmune. So it can be passed on from generation to generation, or it can be something that your body just does on its own. G6PD deficiency is the enzyme that assists with carbohydrates being broke down and produces enzymes to protect RBCs from being destroyed when taking medications or being ill. This occurs mostly in African American males. Thalassemias or Cooley's anemia is an inherited anemia, and it's most common in the European cultures. Anemia causes are hemorrhage, decreased production of RBCs. The body destroys RBCs too fast. With anemia, one can be tired, cold, dizzy, irritable, and have headaches. Thank you.